All right, I know it says new in the video title, and the Deluxe really is a 2015 model, but it's new to me, and it only had a little over 3,000 miles on the clock when I bought it, so I figure close enough. So I've had this beauty a little over 3 weeks and put just a little over 500 miles on it, and in that time I've come to 4 conclusions. Number 1, the bike is absolutely beautiful, and I don't want to do anything to it that might change that. I don't want to change its old school look. I don't want to cover up any of the two-tone paint job. I don't want to hide any of the fenders, and most of all, I don't want to mess with the beautiful lines of the bike. Number 2, when you get up to 65 or more miles per hour on the Deluxe with the wide handlebars, those surf-style handlebars, you feel like a giant sail. That wind really pushes against your chest. So if I'm ever going to do any interstate riding, or I just want to let her rip, I'm definitely going to need some sort of windshield. However, it's got to do 2 things. It's got to look old school or nostalgic, and it's got to be detachable. Number 3, whenever I ride, I always end up taking something extra along with me. Whether it's video equipment for making a YouTube video, or just a couple of bottles of water to survive the Texas heat, I definitely need some sort of bag or luggage or storage capacity on the bike. And number 4, since I could barely afford to buy this Deluxe in the first place, anything I do to the bike needs to be on the cheap. Can you say hello, eBay? So I ended up spending about a week looking for a windshield that was both in really good condition and a really good deal. And I lucked out. I ended up finding an OEM Harley-Davidson nostalgic look windshield in really good condition, and I ended up getting it for $138, which included shipping and tax. And for comparison, if I got the same windshield from Harley, it would have been about $550. Well, a few days went by and I received the windshield, and it was in really good condition. There was just one little problem, however. The mounting brackets and everything were Harley OEM, and it certainly fit the bike. However, the windshield itself was a recurved windshield, a little recurve at the top, and it was not Harley-Davidson OEM. It was made by LRS. However, I did a little research, and that actually ended up being a positive. That little recurve will actually shoot air up a couple inches higher than if it was just a flat surface windshield. So with a 16-inch recurve windshield, I get the same effect as an 18-inch flat windshield. And that means 2 inches less Lexan to either look through or video through while I'm riding. Another nice thing about the windshield is that it came with a leather Harley OEM windshield bag already attached. And Harley windshield bags cost about $100 if you buy them by themselves. Plus, it just helped to address my storage issue. The only negative to the whole deal is that it didn't come with docking hardware, which I ended up having to order from Harley for $59. And I don't think you can really see it here well, but the windshield does have a couple of minor scratches, very light, but I can take all that out pretty easily with my buffing wheel. So all in all, I was real happy with the deal. If you count the $59 I had to pay for the docking hardware, I ended up spending about $200 on something that would have cost me about $650 new. Thank you, Mr. eBay. Now back to the luggage problem. I decided I definitely didn't want to get any saddlebags because it would certainly change the look of the bike. So I figured the best alternative was to get some sort of sissy bar bag. And as luck would have it, after just a couple of days of looking, I found a Harley-Davidson OEM sissy bar backpack that was in like new condition. And best of all, with shipping it only cost me $48. These things retail for $150 plus tax. It's a great bag, it's heavy duty, it's got tons of pockets, it's got up to 23-liter capacity, and as you can see, it attaches nicely to the sissy bar and pad that fortunately were already on the bike, and it even came with a reflective rain cover. So problem solved and objectives met. Both the windshield and the sissy bar backpack are in great condition, they're very functional, of high quality, and in my opinion, they look great on the bike. And I was able to pick them up on the cheap. I was already loving the Deluxe, and these initial mods are making me love it even more. So how am I doing so far, folks? Are there any other mods or accessories you think I still need? Please take a moment to let me know your thoughts and give me your suggestions by commenting down below. And while you're at it, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Trip on Two Wheels. Ride safe and ride often, people.